Hi, I just got my box delivered from the Nordstrom Beauty double point sale. Did you guys get anything? I usually try to clean out my makeup area and stuff and just sort of get rid of things either I'm not really using or didn't work well for me or weren't the right shades or whatever around this time of year. January, I want to clean. And so now we're in February and I still have some to do. But several of the things that I threw away, I wanted to replace. And when Nordstrom has this double points thing, it's really worth it for me. So I just got my stuff. So let's just take a look. I'm excited. Okay, we have an all-time favorite of mine, the Chanel Corrector in 20 Beige is the color I get. It is my under eye concealer, my very favorite top concealer ever. It just works the very best for me. So happy to have another one. Yay. And this is a Chanel Ombre Premier long wear cream eyeshadow. I thought this was a very good color to put on as a base. Comes with a little brush. I have this in a gold color, like gold convoitoir or something like that. And this one is scintillance. Scintillance? I'm sure it's scintillating of some sort. I just think this would be a really good all over color. And usually if I put something like this all over the lid first, everything else just sticks beautifully. I don't use any kind of other primer. So, and then this kind of shows through a little bit in the spot. I love it, you know, whenever I do this kind of thing. So I thought this would be a good color to try. So very happy about that. I usually never use the little brush, but it's nice to have. And I got the Chanel Ultra Tint. Let's see, it's a Flawless Finish Foundation. I also got this in 20 Beige since it's such a perfect color for my concealer. I have not tried this before. I've tried the Vita Lumiere or something to that effect, but I've not tried this, but this looks good. This looks like it will work well. I love that it has a pump. I look forward to trying this, so real excited about that too. I got a sample, 3 samples. Fun. I got the small bottle of the thickening spray by Bumble and Bumble. I want to give that a try and just see if I can get a little more thickness going on in my hair. So I thought I'd try the little bottle. Good. I got another Chanel blush. I adore their blushes. I really do. I have 2 that I adore. I've talked about them many times. And this one looked perfect online. And let's just see if I think that in person. Oh yeah, it looks beautiful. I just think that looks like a real, you know, actual flush color. Oop, there went the brush. That's pretty. I like that very much. And it is called, does it say on here anywhere? Oh, Rose, a cream. Ew, I'm terrible with this. Here we go. So I look forward to trying that. I guess I can put a little bit on right now. I already have something on, but the lighting's not the best here. It's pretty. I think I like it. Excited about that. This is a tiny little thing, but I've heard so much about it. It's the Noshinku. It is a hand sanitizer, and it's in a little tiny flat bottle type of a sprayer that you can fit in your pocket or, you know, any small spot, any tiny purse, that kind of thing. And I thought I'd give it a try. I mean, it definitely is small, but apparently there's a lot more in there than you think. But isn't this cute? And this is the scent I got. There are 2 other options, but yeah, let's just see. Oh, it does smell good. It almost smells like a light perfume. And it's hand sanitizer. So how cute is this when you just want to take it with you and you're using a small bag or whatever, keep it in your car, whatever you want to do. I don't know, I had to try it. It just seemed like fun. Okay. Okay, I did it again. Heaven help me. I love this mascara. I love it. It's ridiculous. I know it. Don't have to tell me. I get it. The Louis Vuitton mascara. My other one of this is finally dead. It lasted forever. I don't throw my mascaras away after 3 months. I've never gotten a problem, had a problem or gotten an infection from that, so knock on wood, I hope I don't. That may be disgusting to some, I don't know, but I don't wear mascara every day, and so I just can't imagine it. It doesn't dry up in that amount of time, so I don't get it. It seems like we should throw all of our things away. What about like eyeliners, especially people that do tight lining? You're really up against your skin with those. People don't throw those away every 3 months, so why would they need to throw something that doesn't even touch their skin? It's just on their, I don't get it. Anyway, I got another of these mascaras. Oh my gosh, it is decadent, it is amazing, it is ridiculous, and I thought this is the time to do it. So I will have this for the next year, and I will be thrilled to death to use it every time I do. I mean, the bottle, it's substantial, it feels amazing, and it works so well. Your lashes just look naturally big, beautiful, and defined without any of those weird lumpy clumps and stuff. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this mascara. Yeah, I said it. And those are the items I got. And I'm really excited about it. I got some high-end things that I don't normally always just pick up constantly, but if it's a double point sale, it ends up being worth it to me. So anyway, I just wanted to share real quick. Did you guys get anything from the sale? It's on until the 14th of February, Valentine's Day. So I will put a link down below to go straight to the sale. If you're interested, you can just click right there and go straight to it, see if there's anything that you're interested in for double points. If you use your card, if you have like a NORDSTROM card, you can get more. It's kind of cool. So anyway, just wanted to share with you what I got. Thanks so much. Talk to you later. Bye.